Why would you want to have anything to do with me?
Ribbit! Ribbit! Oh, Ribbit! Ooh, pardon me!
Leave me alone.
Sorry, Feathers. Didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. Sort of runs in the family, or should I say, jumps in the family, depending on which way
What do you want?
What?
Go ahead, shoot off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly!
There, you feel better now.
Whoa, 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 hang on a minute. Do you mind if I hop off and hop back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, see? I mean, connect the dots. If we were talking ugly, Kitten gets much more aesthetically challenged than me. Hey, I know what your problem is. You've been preening yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You've got down in the mouth. I mean, I started off as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. I say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince in frog slowly waiting for someone to come and kiss me and release my inner beauty. And then I say to myself, nah, get real. Who wants to French a frog? Hey, you know what our trouble is? Our image isn't in vogue. That's all. It's just a question of taste. But mark my word, Feathers, one day, ugly will be in. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly bad would pass. And those who sports the seasons look will fall flat on their patched your mother what it's called. Profession is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and I guarantee out there, someone's gonna love ya, someone's gonna love ya, warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in a month of autumn, someone's gonna fall for you, though I'm Tyrannosaurus Rexy. Some may find me sexy in my way, though it may take some time to find out when you do you have a ball, 'cause down there's somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all.
Do you really believe that?
Of course I do. If I didn't, I'll just cut my legs off and donate them to gastronomic research. I'm telling you, you gotta look on the right side of the lily pad, Feathers. The ugliest of creatures have few redeeming features, so why not let your girl shine forth?
A mouth that runs from east to west is bound to make you look depressed. It's better if the corners both point north.
That's the idea. So don't go into hiding. There's no need for disguise. Even some potatoes have got nice eyes. I'm telling you, Feathers, out there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya.
Warts and all.
Now you're croaking my language.
Out there in a muddy puddle, someone needs a cuddle, though the chance is small.
It's true, just think, whenever you need roosting, one day you'll be roosting with a mate. Though it may take some time to find out when you do you have a ball, 'cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Tell them, kids! What am I saying?
Goodbye. And if you ever find yourself here in the dockyard, do call in. I'd love you to meet my family.
Well, I hope you find